From the lush embrace of tropical rainforests to the sun-scorched breath of the desert, from towering ancient mountains to the boundless sweep of golden grasslands, the rains arrive and vanish like a whispered secret, leaving behind wide open skies and cracked thirsty soil. This is the African savanna, where earth and sky stretch into eternity, a land of searing contrast, where the brittle grass lies like a faded tapestry across the land. But beneath this stillness, life pulses, fierce and unstoppable. Every dawn ignites a brutal rhythm. Predators glide through the shadows like wind through reeds. And the hunted, always on edge, every heartbeat counts. Here, survival isn't just instinct, it's war forged in steel. Only the toughest endure, only the strongest carry on. Welcome to Wild Savannah Survival Stories from the heart of Africa. With the first kiss of sunlight, the savanna ignites, awash in blazing orange, a new day begins. But tranquility is a myth. The eternal cycle of life and death spins on, light and shadow locked in endless combat, each trying to conquer the other. In the tropical savanna, the Great March begins. Millions of wildebeest move like ancient pilgrims, searching for water. In their wake, lions stalk silently in tall grass, waiting, watching, like ghosts from another world. Farther south, in the temperate savanna, zebras and wildebeest face cunning foes, African wild dogs, leopards, shadows in the brittle brush. This land tests not just strength, but patience and will. Beneath the mirrored surface of the rivers, another ambush waits. Crocodiles, silent and still, await the annual crossing. Only 7 in 10 zebras will survive the water's gauntlet. Here, every breath, every move is guided by instinct or fate. As the dry season settles over the mosaic, the roan antelope, Hippotragus equinus, faces a brutal test of endurance. Its population here is estimated at around 8,000 as of 2024. These graceful antelopes, with their light brown coats and elegantly curved horns, are icons of resilience. They traverse the sparse forests and golden plains, consuming grasses and shrubs, some of which are inedible to other animals. This dietary flexibility allows them to endure long, dry spells, when much of the vegetation disappears and the ground begins to crack beneath the heat. Roaming alongside them, hidden in the forest shadows or gliding across open grassland, is one of Africa's most stealthy hunters, the leopard, Panthera pardus. Masterfully adapted to both forest and savanna environments, leopards blend seamlessly into their surroundings. These agile predators hunt a wide range of prey, from antelopes and gazelles to monkeys and birds. Under cover of night, they rely on patience, camouflage, and silence. Their vision pierces the darkness, and with explosive speed, reaching up to 35 miles per hour, they strike with deadly precision. Once a kill is made, leopards often haul their prey into trees, avoiding scavengers like lions and hyenas. Yet even this elusive predator faces peril. A 2023 Panthera report estimates that only 2,500 leopards remain in this region. Their numbers are in sharp decline due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. As forests are cleared for logging and farming, leopards are forced into open savannas, where they face increased threats from humans. Continuing east, we enter the Somali acacia commiphora bushlands and thickets, a harsh, semi-arid region spanning northeastern Kenya, southeastern Ethiopia, and much of Somalia. Here, rainfall is erratic, temperatures often soar between 77 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and thorny vegetation dominates the rugged terrain. Despite the harshness, life persists. Acacia and commiphora trees, tough and drought-resistant, stand as anchors of the ecosystem, offering food and shelter. The animals here have evolved unique strategies to survive these punishing conditions. Among them is the Grevy's zebra, Equus grevii, the rarest and largest of the zebra species. Only 2,800 individuals remain as of 2023, making it critically endangered. These zebras can reach 5 feet in height, with narrow stripes and oversized ears that aid hearing and temperature regulation. Grevy's zebras have adapted to life in scarcity. They survive on dry grasses and are capable of going long stretches without water. Moving in small herds, they cover vast distances to find food and hydration, while also playing a vital ecological role by maintaining the balance of grassland vegetation. Across Africa's wildest edges, survival depends on adaptation, resilience, and balance. But now, the balance is tipping, and the time to act is running out. The IUCN classifies this species as near threatened, with fewer than 10,000 mature individuals estimated worldwide. In the Somali acacia commiphora bushlands, where scattered shrubs and dry grasses bake under the relentless sun, lives the unique ginook. Known scientifically as Litocranius walleri and often called the giraffe gazelle. This antelope is distinguished by its slender build and remarkably long neck. Its most impressive trait is the ability to stand on its hind legs, reaching leaves 6 to 8 feet high, far beyond the reach of other herbivores. During prolonged droughts, when most animals are forced to migrate or search far and wide for water, the ginook stays put. Its exceptional adaptations allow it to conserve energy, minimize water loss, and regulate body temperature efficiently. It even adjusts its metabolism to survive the harshest conditions. Also inhabiting these savannas is the hardy East African oryx, or Oryx basa. With a gleaming white coat that shines under the sun and long, sharp horns resembling swords, the oryx is well prepared for survival. As evening falls and the scorching heat eases, oryx emerge to feed. Their nighttime activity helps reduce water loss and takes advantage of cooler air. As the dry season deepens and grasses disappear, the oryx turns to drought-resistant shrubs like acacia and commiphora. Thanks to a robust digestive system, they extract nutrients from tough vegetation, often going weeks or months without water. Research from 2023 shows oryx also pull moisture from dried leaves, maximizing every available resource. Their ability to regulate body temperature allows them to endure extreme heat, sometimes reaching 116 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing water loss, a vital skill in such an arid land. But the oryx's true strength shines when defending themselves against predators like lions and leopards. With their long, sharp horns, they can fend off attacks, and there are many accounts of oryx forcing even the fiercest predators to retreat. The Somali Acacia commiphora bushlands also shelter notable birds such as the ostrich, Struthio camellus, and the Somali ostrich, Struthio molybdophanes. The ostrich, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 340 pounds, is the largest living bird and often described as a living dinosaur. Ostriches withstand the intense heat by regulating their body temperature and using their lightweight feathers as a natural cooling system to quickly shed heat. Studies from 2023 reveal they can survive long periods without direct water intake by extracting moisture from the plants they eat. They also minimize water loss through breathing and urination during the hottest parts of the day, resting mostly in the shade. Though flightless, ostriches are swift runners, capable of speeds up to 40 miles per hour and able to sustain 34 miles per hour over distances. If threatened, their powerful kicks can cause serious injury, even deterring large predators like lions or cheetahs with a single strike. This region is home to the Rothschild's giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis rothschildi, the rarest subspecies of giraffe worldwide. As of 2024, only about 800 individuals remain. Their pale coats are marked with patterns that stop above the legs, making them easily recognizable. Standing nearly 19 feet tall, Rothschild's giraffes are the tallest giraffe subspecies and notable for their 5 ossicones, horn-like structures few other giraffes have. More than majestic creatures, Rothschild's giraffes serve as vital gardeners of the savannah. Feeding mainly on acacia and commiphora leaves, they help control vegetation growth, ensuring sunlight reaches plants below and supporting biodiversity. Their presence maintains the balance of this ecosystem. Besides their ecological importance, Rothschild's giraffes play a key role in sustainable ecotourism. According to WWF, ecotourism supports conservation by generating income for local communities and funding wildlife protection efforts. Observing these giraffes allows people to connect with nature and understand the importance of every species in preserving our world. Across the vast grasslands of the Victoria Basin, the topi, Damaliscus lunatus gemella, moves with the confidence of a seasoned warrior. Their reddish-brown coats and distinctive black markings help them blend seamlessly into the savannah. Golden grass and dusty earth blend perfectly, creating nature's camouflage. With strong muscles and long legs, topis are among the fastest antelopes roaming the savannah. Able to sprint up to 43 miles per hour, they easily outrun fierce predators like lions and leopards. Topis are migratory, traveling to find lush grasslands and reliable water near Lake Victoria during long dry seasons. Usually, they move in herds of 20 to 40, but during breeding or migration, these groups swell into the hundreds. This is a remarkable display of unity, where the herd stands together, guarding one another from danger. Among the icons of this region is the white rhinoceros, known scientifically as Ceratotherium simum. It's the largest of the 5 rhinoceros species alive today, weighing as much as 5,500 pounds and stretching up to 13 feet in length. The white rhino is second only to elephants among land mammals. Its broad, square mouth is perfectly designed to graze on short grasses. The 2 keratin horns on its snout, made of the same material as human hair and nails, are its most striking feature. The front horn, longest in large bulls, can reach up to 65 inches and weigh nearly 9 These horns are vital tools for defense, but also make the rhino a target for poachers. Once on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 20 remaining in the late 19th century, white rhinos have staged an incredible comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. As of 2023, around 18,000 white rhinos roam Africa. Eating up to 265 pounds of grass daily, white rhinos play a crucial role in maintaining the savanna's balance. By preventing grass from overgrowing, they encourage plant diversity and create habitats for countless other species. Most live in Kruger and Kalahari national parks, where wet summers and dry winters foster ideal grasslands. Yet, poaching remains a grave threat. In 2022 alone, over 450 rhinos were killed in South Africa for their horns, feeding illegal markets abroad. Sharing the plains with the wildebeest is the eland antelope, Taurotragus oryx, the largest antelope species worldwide. Weighing up to 2,200 pounds and standing 6 feet tall at the shoulder, elands boast a tan coat and long spiral horns, up to 26 inches in males. These horns serve both as defense and as weapons in dominance battles during breeding. Despite their size, elands can reach speeds of 25 miles per hour, fast enough to evade lions and hyenas. Living in open grasslands, they freely roam to find food and water. Their remarkable drought tolerance lets them survive long without drinking, drawing moisture from the plants they eat. With about 136,000 individuals across Africa as of 2023, eland populations remain stable, thanks in part to seasonal migrations in search of fresh grazing. Beyond temperate grasslands lies the flooded savanna, where water reshapes the land. Seasonal rains transform dry plains into vast lakes and wetlands. This miraculous ecosystem demands adaptation for survival. The Sud wetlands, one of Africa's largest, provide an ideal home for the hippopotamus. The Hippopotamus amphibius, numbers roughly 40,000 in the Sud, one of the world's largest populations. Despite weighing up to 3,300 pounds, hippos spend most of their time submerged, using water to regulate temperature and protect their skin from the harsh sun. Living in groups of 10 to 30, hippos protect one another and help maintain vegetation, preventing wildfires fueled by dry grasses. Their waste enriches river and lake ecosystems, nourishing fish and microorganisms, acting as vital links between water and land in the Sud. Leopards are astonishingly strong and can carry prey twice their body weight up into trees. While they usually hunt medium-sized animals between 10 and 40 kilograms, they've been known to take down much larger prey, such as young giraffes, or even, on rare occasions, adult male elands weighing nearly a ton. A black panther isn't a separate species. It's actually a leopard, or jaguar, with melanism, a genetic mutation that causes an excess of dark pigmentation. This trait is believed to be shaped by natural selection, especially in areas where camouflage or temperature regulation is crucial to survival. Leopards are the most widely distributed large cats in the world, found in 63 countries. Their range extends from South Africa's Cape of Good Hope across sub-Saharan Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and as far as the Russian Far East. However, their populations are becoming more fragmented, often confined to protected areas. In South Africa, a leopard was once filmed free-falling from a height of 9 meters from a tree to capture its prey. This extraordinary hunting technique is dangerous but can be effective, showcasing the leopard's bold adaptability. Leopards are among the most adaptable of all big cats. Unlike lions, they thrive in a range of habitats, from deserts and rainforests to urban outskirts, so long as there's sufficient cover and prey. Their versatile hunting and feeding behaviors support this adaptability. They are solitary and mostly nocturnal creatures, typically active between sunset and sunrise. The distinctive markings on a leopard's fur are called rosettes. Jaguars have similar markings, though theirs often contain a small central spot, which leopards usually lack. Female leopards generally give birth to 2 to 4 cubs, though occasionally they can have as many as 6. Cubs are born blind and rely entirely on their mother for the first week. They remain with her for 12 to 18 months to learn the survival skills needed for independence. While hunting, the tip of a leopard's tail might twitch. Though this movement seems counterintuitive for stealth, it may actually help distract prey, increasing the chance of a successful hunt. More research is needed to fully understand this behavior. Leopards have adapted to life on the edges of major cities like Mumbai and Nairobi. In places such as Sanjay Gandhi National Park near Mumbai, leopard densities are among the highest ever recorded, proving they can thrive even near dense human populations. As carnivores, leopards have an incredibly varied diet, feeding on over 90 species. In West Africa's Côte d'Ivoire, they've been observed hunting various monkeys and even chimpanzees. Not all lions in the wild are from Africa. There are 2 subspecies, the African lion and the Asiatic lion, which exists in a small population in India's Gir forest. Though they appear similar, male Asiatic lions usually have darker, shorter manes, and both males and females are smaller than their African counterparts. Male African lions can weigh anywhere from 150 to 250 kilograms, with the heaviest reaching 250 kilograms, around 39 stone. Females are lighter, topping out at around 180 kilograms or 28 stone. Lion cubs are born with spots that help camouflage them in tall grass. These markings gradually fade as they grow older. A lion's mane can grow up to 16 centimeters long and serves to make the lion appear more formidable to rivals. This growth is influenced by testosterone, and captive lions that have been castrated often lose their mane or never grow one at all. Lionesses tend to give birth around the same time and raise their cubs communally. They work together to protect all the young from predators. Lions live in family groups called prides. A pride includes one or more males, several related females, and their cubs. Females handle most of the hunting and cub rearing, while males defend the territory and protect the pride from threats. Lions are able to survive in dry environments, including deserts, in part by obtaining water from the prey they consume. Studies show that they tend to hunt near rivers and waterholes, capitalizing on the prey's need for water. A single lion can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in one sitting, nearly a quarter of its body weight. Instead of chewing, lions use their canines to kill and their back teeth to tear the meat into chunks for swallowing. Lions often hunt at night or during storms when they can move undetected. Darkness and noise provide cover, helping them sneak up on prey more effectively. They are unique among cats in that they roar together. This synchronized roaring strengthens social bonds and marks territory. Cubs begin attempting to roar at around 2 to 3 months old. A lion's roar can be heard as far as 5 miles, 8 kilometers away, and can reach 114 decibels, comparable to the sound of a chainsaw. Fewer than 23,000 lions remain in the wild, making them a critically endangered species. The main threats to their survival are poaching and loss of habitat. While wild lions typically live 10 to 14 years, they can live up to 20 years. Females usually have longer lifespans than males. In Swahili, the word for lion is Simba, a familiar name thanks to its cultural influence and widespread recognition. Lions are the only cat species that live in groups. These groups, or prides, usually contain between 2 and 40 members. Most other wild cats are solitary, though some, like cheetahs, may hunt in small coalitions. Female lions are tactical hunters, often working in groups to corner or drive prey into ambushes. They rely on coordination and teamwork to bring down animals larger than themselves. Lions can sleep up to 21 hours a day. This extended rest allows them to conserve energy for high-effort activities like hunting and defending the pride. Lionesses can give birth to up to 6 cubs, though 3 is more common. After birth, cubs are hidden from the pride for several weeks to ensure their safety before being introduced. Lions are threatened by a variety of factors, including habitat loss, climate change, and dwindling prey populations. In addition, trophy hunting and canned hunting pose serious risks. Around 8,000 captive-bred lions are believed to be kept in South Africa specifically for canned hunting purposes, where animals are shot in confined spaces with no chance of escape. In an effort to protect lions, The organization Born Free is working with communities in Meru, Kenya, to paint eye-like markings on the backs of cows. This simple strategy helps deter lions from attacking livestock, as the markings trick lions into thinking they've been spotted, reducing the risk of human-lion conflict. Next on our list of facts about the savannah is the presence of sacred groves within this vast and captivating ecosystem. The African savannah, with its sweeping grasslands and iconic wildlife, holds hidden gems in the form of sacred groves, small areas of protected and revered woodlands. These sacred groves are considered hallowed grounds by local communities, often believed to be inhabited by spirits and ancestral deities. These sacred sites play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity and cultural heritage, making them an essential part of the intricate tapestry that is the African savannah. Did you know that Disney's The Lion King draws its inspiration from the mesmerizing African savannas? These vast grasslands serve as the backdrop for the epic adventure of Simba, the lion cub destined to be king. The stunning visuals, vibrant wildlife, and captivating landscapes found in the savannah served as the perfect muse for Disney's masterpiece. From the iconic Pride Rock to the heartwarming characters like Timon and Pumbaa, the film brings to life the spirit of the African savannas. With its rich cultural references and breathtaking scenery, The Lion King continues to enchant audiences worldwide with the magic of the wilderness. Next on our list of facts about the savannah are the fascinating endemic animals that call this ecosystem home. First up, we have the majestic African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. These gentle giants roam the savannah in search of food and water, leaving an unforgettable impression on anyone lucky enough to witness their grace. Then, there's the agile cheetah, renowned for its lightning-fast speed and striking spotted coat. It's the ultimate sprinter of the savannah, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour to catch its prey. Let's not forget about the African lion, the king of the savannah. With its magnificent mane and powerful roar, this apex predator commands respect and admiration from all who encounter it. And how could we overlook the quirky meerkats? These adorable social creatures form tight-knit communities and work together to survive the challenges of the savannah. More than just top predators, Nile crocodiles serve as vital gatekeepers, removing weak and sick animals to keep wildlife populations healthy and balanced. They help maintain a strong, thriving ecosystem where life and death are intricately intertwined. According to BirdLife International, the Nile Delta flooded savanna welcomes over 200,000 birds every year. Among them, the greater flamingo, Phoenicopterus roseus, stands out as one of the most spectacular residents. Each year, 30,000 to 40,000 greater flamingos migrate here to breed and feed. Traveling hundreds of miles, they seek safe, flooded areas like the Nile Delta, rich with food and perfect for raising their young. Their migrations usually happen in spring and fall, when changing temperatures and rising waters create the ideal conditions for breeding. The greater flamingo is the largest flamingo species, boasting a wingspan of 5.6 feet and standing about 4.5 feet tall. Their long legs let them wade easily through marshlands, while their curved bills are perfectly designed to filter food from mud and water. Their iconic pink plumage comes from carotenoid pigments found in shrimp and tiny microorganisms living in the shallow waters of wetlands like the Nile Delta. Flamingos migrate not only to find food, but also to ensure genetic diversity within their populations. Huge flocks, sometimes thousands strong, offer protection from predators and create favorable breeding conditions. Their migration is a continuous journey of adaptation, survival, and resilience. Have you ever immersed yourself in the wild dance of survival on the African savanna? Share your stories in the comments below. Each one is a seed helping nurture this incredible landscape so its beauty can endure forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to join us on more magical adventures.